This is the first video in this series to get you up and running with Fountas and Pinnell. First things first, you'll want to get into your online resources. There's a special code that is needed for each component of Fountas and Pinnell. For the interactive read aloud, shared reading, and guided reading, you'll want to locate your collection guide. The code is on the back of the front cover. For phonics, spelling, and word study, the code is on the back cover of the lessons resource. Lastly, all the mini lessons books are pretty thick, over 500 pages. The code is on the back cover of that big, thick book. After you locate the code, go to the website and follow the directions. When you get all registered and logged in, you have access to lots of electronic resources, video tutorials for each of the components, everything electronic. They just added some really great remote learning guidelines as well. Here's what it looks like. There is a tab for each of the components. I happen to be on guided reading. You'll notice that there's a videos tab right here. There's where your video tutorials are. Each of the books within the selection are listed. There's the lesson guides, the data recording sheets. There's a PDF of the book itself, as well as additional printables. All the remote learning resources are available at this tab as well. I encourage you to get into your online resources, check them out, and look for the next video in the series called How Do I Get a Level for Guided Reading?